Good evening, and welcome back to the Refreshing Point. I will be sharing with you the health benefits of fava beans. Everyone is familiar with black, navy, pinto, and kidney beans. And maybe you have also heard about fava beans, also known as broad beans. But if you've never eaten them, now is the time to change that. Fava beans carry some amazing benefits, from supporting the immune system to possibly preventing osteoporosis, and even helping pregnant women obtain much-needed folate. Adding them to your diet may offer amazing benefits to you, along with aiding motor function, heart health, and energy levels. Fava beans are a large green herb that grows in long pods and are popularly found in many European and Middle Eastern cuisines. They can be time-consuming to make because of the process of shelling. Removing the beans from the pods is simple enough, but each one of the beans also is enclosed in a shell. Fava beans are extremely high in protein and energy. They are a good source of dietary fiber, containing about 66% of dietary fiber per 100 grams. They also contain good amounts of vitamin B1, B6, niacin, and riboflavin. Fava beans also include mineral sources such as iron, copper, manganese, calcium, and magnesium. Just like legumes, fava beans are heart-friendly. They contain manganese that promotes better cardiovascular health. It's also high in soluble fiber that lowers blood glucose and cholesterol levels in the blood. Fiber also binds with fat, so it's eliminated as waste. Best of all, fiber cleanses the colon by flushing out toxic buildup in the gut. Just 1 cup of fava beans contains 36% of your daily recommendation of manganese. Adults require about 11 milligrams daily. Your bones love it since they help increase bone mass. Additionally, they help reduce calcium deficiency. Some studies suggest that fava beans may help control Parkinson's disease symptoms. Research published in the Journal of Clinical and Diagnostic Research focused on fresh fava beans with the outer shell, fava beans dissolved in alcohol and water, as well as dried sprouted fava beans. Fava beans can be eaten in different ways. You can incorporate it in your favorite dishes or in smoothies. Fresh and dried beans are very easy to cook. You can rehydrate dried beans by soaking them in warm water. If you're buying them fresh, opt for bright green beans. If you're keeping the beans for later use, do not remove them from their pods. This helps maintain tenderness and freshness. Fava beans are excellent for people who are into high protein, high fiber diets. Because fava beans are delicious and versatile, you'll have no problem incorporating it into your everyday meals. Thank you so much for watching. Good day and good health.